Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to click on search. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on search app and games. Then what you want to do here is to type in Microsoft Authenticator. Then hit on search. Hit on search. Hit on search. Then in a few seconds, it's going to take you right here. Click on here, then you have full access and the display of Microsoft Authenticator app right here. You can swipe here and see the number of people that are using it. As at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using this particular app. You can swipe this way and check on the preview and the home page of the app. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on install right here. After a successful installation, hit on open. Microsoft respect privacy. Click on accept right here. Click on here. Then hit on continue. Now you are here. So and for us to do that, we click on add account. So there are 3 different accounts you can add right here. You can add your personal Microsoft account, work or school accounts, other accounts like Google, Facebook, etc. So I'm going to add a Facebook account right here. So I'm going to click on here now. Then you have 2 options. You can either scan QR code to add the account or enter code manually. So I'm going to simply go ahead and enter code manually. So here I will just type in Facebook as the account name. Then come down below right here and enter your secret key right here. How do you get your secret key? So you have to exit from here now. Then go ahead and open up your Facebook account or whatever account you want to add. So I'm going to open up my Facebook account right here. After you open up your account, then I'm going to tap on the profile icon. Then I will go ahead and click on setting icon. Then I will go ahead and click on account center. Then I'll go ahead and click on password and security. So click on password and security. And I'll go ahead and click on 2-factor authentication. And I'll select my Facebook account. Then enter my password right here to confirm it is me. Then I'll hit on continue. And a code is going to send to the account mail. So I'll go ahead and open the Gmail account that's linked to my Facebook. So here we go. So I will simply refresh while waiting for the, okay, here is the code right here. I will click on here and open it. Then I'll simply go ahead and copy this code right here. Click and hold down and make sure I copy. Then I'll go back to my Facebook login page right here. I'll click on here and enter the code. Then I'll click on continue. And you'll be taken right here. So here, what we want to do is to come down below right here, under where we see authentication app, click on that. Then you have the pass key right here. What you want to do here is to simply click on copy key. So once you copy the key, go back to your Microsoft Authenticator app right here. Then come down below to secret key right here. Click and hold down. Paste your secret key. You have it this way. Then click on finish. To better protect Authenticator, we have enabled app lock by default. To turn it off, go to the app settings. So click on OK right here. Now you have your Facebook account has been successfully protected by Microsoft Authenticator app. It's that simple. So this is how to use Microsoft Authenticator app to secure any account you have on internet. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Authenticator app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.